They planted this behind the TV stand.
We're even looking for the extra one. We were looking, there's an extra one they took out. Where is it?
They hate us. I guess so. Wow. So just finished eating. We went to the grocery store today and bought a few things. Probably bought way more than we probably should have. Just like keep us held over for the next few weeks until we can actually like start planning out meals and deciding like what we need for the house. But we bought like microwavable meals and we just finished, and so now me and Brennan are gonna try and unpack and organize as much as we can in our rooms. And do a few things and then try and have a movie night. It is getting pretty late. Hopefully I can finish my room. I do have a quite bit of stuff to do.
You know, I know you're making up the truth. Why can't I go before I lose my cool? I love you even if it's difficult. Don't worry just because I need to leave. Don't mean I'm sick of us, of you and me. I'm just not good at showing sympathy. Give me a break. I'm not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. I'm not angry anymore, just a little upset now. Cause I wanna be better than I was before, but I can't do it if we don't mature. Not angry anymore, just a little bit let down.
We made it! Hey, I'm not gonna lie, it is a little chilly, but it's fine because the sun's still out and so it still feels good. But I am like right by the steps just in case like I have to bolt to my car and hurry up and go to the restaurant. But I'm only gonna stay here for like an hour or so, and then study and then go to the restaurant and hopefully I have a good day.
I love the way you look me in the eyes when you joke up but can't apologize. Cause you...
Oh my gosh, I did it! So it was actually super quick. I was probably in there for only like an hour. He literally just showed me around, showed me the kitchen. He did talk like super low. I couldn't really understand him some parts, but technically my first orientation day is tomorrow, so today was just I guess an overview. I don't understand why they didn't just shove them all together, but tomorrow I'm actually going to be training, and so I was really nervous at first, but now I think I got it. Like as long as I learn the menu, which the menu is so big, but as long as I learn the menu I think I should be good, because it's really basic stuff. And then the only thing, not the only thing, but they only give you about 4 tables. Like they try not to give you any more. So I think I should be fine. I'm super excited. I just need to learn the menus. Hopefully I can learn a good bit tonight and then more and more each day. So I can finally be ready come Monday to actually work. Hey, so I just arrived to the beach and waking up for sunrise. Don't mind me, I'm literally trying to take out my hair while I'm doing this, but I just parked. And there is a bird right next to my car and I pulled up and he didn't fly away. So I think he might be hurt. So y'all are gonna come find out with me. Hopefully they don't hold like any disease or anything like that. Oh, poor baby, like I opened my door and he still hasn't flown away. Let me see. Okay, just kidding. I'm just stupid and missing the sunrise for some bird that's not even hurt. Like, that is literally so pretty. And then if you can see it, but like the hat, it's my favorite thing when the sun has like the little sun rays coming out. I was a little nervous because it does look a little rainy today and really foggy. So I was nervous that I was going to be a good sunrise or not. But it is so pretty. Guys, I was sitting here journaling, and I went to go take a sip out of my coffee, which I'm glad I looked at it first because a bug landed in it. I kind of just want to take it out and drink it. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Well, at least I can say I saved his life. They gotta be best buddies now. You ruined my coffee.